He's won $1 million. You just won $1 million. He's won $1 million. You just won $1 million.
Are you next? Play the...
National Weather Service in Omaha has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Mills County in southwest Iowa, Montgomery County in southwest Iowa, Page County in southwest Iowa until 7:15 a.m. At 6:25 a.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado 7 miles southwest of Red Oak, or about 17 miles northwest of Clarinda, moving west at 35 miles per hour. The severe thunderstorm will be near Emerson around 6:40 a.m., Hastings around 6:50 a.m., Malvern around 7 a.m. If you are in the warned area, prepare for damaging winds, large hail, heavy rain and dangerous lightning. Get into a shelter or a sturdy building. Stay away from windows and glass doors. A tornado watch is also in effect for the warned area. A tornado watch means conditions are favorable for tornadoes and severe thunderstorms in and close to the warned area.
I love you. I love you very, very much. Yes, I do. I love you. I love you. I love you. I love you.
It's the hottest thing to ever come out of Taco Bell. Introducing the grilled stuffed burrito.
Los Benitez is hot.